Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker 2 online using Ryujinx. First, make sure your Ryujinx emulator is updated to its most recent version for optimal performance and compatibility. Next, confirm that your Super Mario Maker 2 game is properly loaded and recognized by the emulator. Finally, navigate to the Ryujinx options and adjust your network settings to enable online functionality, which is a crucial first step. To connect to an online server, open the Ryujinx options menu and then select Settings. Within the Network tab, you will need to enter the specific server address and port number provided by the online community you intend to join. These details are essential for establishing a connection. After inputting this information, save your changes and restart Ryujinx to ensure the new network configuration is fully applied. With your connection established, launch Super Mario Maker 2 through Ryujinx. Navigate to the Course World section within the game. Here, you can explore an expansive collection of user-created levels from a global community of players. You also have the exciting opportunity to engage in competitive versus battles or collaborative co-op multiplayer modes with other online participants, offering endless fun. If you encounter issues, first check your firewall settings to ensure Ryujinx is not blocked from accessing the internet. A stable and fast internet connection is also vital for smooth online gameplay, so verify your bandwidth. Furthermore, consistently updating Ryujinx to its latest version can resolve many common problems and enhance your overall online experience, providing better stability and new features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.